डॉक्टर साहब
जी
मिनिस्टर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट्री अफेयर्स।
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। बहुत शुक्रिया जनाब स्पीकर। ये बड़ा खुशाइंद है कि जो कि एक कौमी यकजहती का मैसेज हाउस ऑफ फेडरेशन सेनेट से दिया गया, आज वही असम्बली का जब इजलास शुरू हुआ तो वही पैगाम आज इंशाअल्लाह पूरी दुनिया देखेगी कि पाकिस्तान के इशू के ऊपर हम सब मुत्तहिद हैं। जनाब स्पीकर, मैं आपकी इजाज़त से रेजोल्यूशन जो है वो पढ़ रहा हूँ। द नेशनल असेंबली ऑफ पाकिस्तान कंडेम्स टेररिज्म in all its forms and manifestations, emphasizes that killing of innocent civilians is contrary to the values upheld by Pakistan, rejects all frivolous and baseless attempts to link Pakistan with the Pahalgam attack on 22nd April 2025 in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, condemns the orchestrated and malafide campaign by the Indian government to malign Pakistan, which follows a familiar pattern of exploiting the issue of terrorism for a narrow political goal, condemns India's unlawful and unilateral declaration to hold the Indus Waters Treaty in abeyance in blatant violation of the treaty, which clearly amounts to an act of war, warns that Pakistan remains fully capable and prepared to defend its sovereignty and territorial integrity against any aggression, including war terrorism or military provocation, as clearly demonstrated by its robust and valiant response to India's reckless action in February 2019. And any misadventure by India will be met with a firm, swift, and decisive response, emphasizes that the people of Pakistan remain committed to peace but will never allow anyone to transgress the country's sovereignty, security, and interests. Demands that India should be held accountable for its involvement in different acts of terrorism and targeted assassinations on the soil of other countries, including Pakistan, and reaffirms Pakistan's unwavering moral, political, and diplomatic support for the commitment to the Kashmiri people's just struggle for realization of their inalienable right of self-determination. Thank you, sir.